So my friend just asked me in the previous video that why do I get so perturbed, and I told her that please don't try to create that difference or between a Guru Tulya and normal people, as if a Guru Tulya is not supposed to get perturbed. However, I was not perturbed. I knew how beautiful the video is because I was being so natural. But it is very human to be a Guru. Guru is the most sensitive man. That's why he goes into mission. He fights. He shouts. He says we are on a mission. He says Shastra Uthalo. That's why Guru Gobind Singh said Shastra Uthalo. That's why he was Guru Gobind Singh. That's why Parshuram happened. That's why there is that state of unbias where you recognize that there is no conflict between duality and non-duality, because the material is the same as is the material in ocean. The material is water, even if it is wavy.